Hello everyone. So now we are going to learn how we can set up the wireless network in Cisco Packet Tracer. So let me show you. See here, when you click this network devices, you can see here we have the router, switch, hub and wireless devices. Click this one. In this one you can see you have the home router. Take this one, and after that you can take the end devices. You can take the smartphone. Okay, see it is connected, and you can see you can take your laptop and go here inside the laptop, and you can power off and remove this card, and you can put this wireless adapter here and power on this one, and wait and see your laptop is also connected, and they are getting the IP also. So what we can say, we develop a wireless network in Cisco Packet Tracer. Less than 2 minutes we design the wireless network in Cisco Packet Tracer. If you see, all the devices are getting the IP, because in this Wi-Fi router we have the DHCP also. And why they are connected means still we don't have any password, so they are connected without password, and SSID is a default for all the devices, so they connected directly. So this way we can set up the wireless network in Cisco Packet Tracer.